Hello, my name is NK Joycery Kitchen, and today I am excited to show you how to make your curry powder at home. This homemade blend is flavorful, aromatic, and perfect for adding that special touch to your dishes. But this time I will be using another simple and flavorful method. In my previous video, I made curry powder using a different technique, so feel free to check it out. You'll find all the ingredients listed in the description below. Let's get started. And also I'm going to list out all the ingredients under the description below. You can find all the ingredients there. Toast all the ingredients together. Combine all the ingredients except turmeric powder. In a dry pan, add all the ingredients together. Toast them together on medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes, stirring consistently to enhance the flavor and aroma. Cool and grind. Once toasted, allow the mixture to cool completely. Use a spice grinder or a blender, mortar and pestle to grind the toasted ingredient into a fine powder. Combine the grounded spice with turmeric powder in a bowl. Mix thoroughly until evenly blended. Store your curry powder. Transfer your curry powder to an airtight container. Store it in a cool, dry place to prevent the flavor for months, even 6 months. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and follow my pages on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to always engage. Your engagement means the world to me. Your like, comment, and sharing means the world to me. Subscribe for more amazing recipe. Also, don't forget to check out my previous video where I made curry powder using a different method. You'll find all the ingredients listed in the description below. Thank you for your support and may God bless you. See you in my next video. And Happy New Year in advance. Thank you. Bye.
From the sizzle of the pan to the rhythm of the drum, yeah. Okay, just the kitchen's where the magic comes from. Every melody's blend, it's a feast for the ears. Every tune, every taste, right the way it feels.